I gonna do now?
After me spend up the little money and buy things to entertain Fiona and Ian, them change their mind and now bother come. Look on all the things them me buy. Non-perishable items, lamp, kerosene oil, flashlight, ziploc bag, and plastic bag for put up my important documents. Me even go buy up a whole heap of things to restock my emergency kit. Me spend off my light bill, the partner money, the rent money, the putting them school money, and even me taxi fare. And now, I just a little bit of rain we get. Me so glad if me putting them teacher tell them to stay home. But when me a go do now? How me a go reach a work? Our time now, 8:25? Me call Mr. Smikle. I wonder if him a go answer me. Me turn on the shower and make him hear the water dripping. That way he won't know see a lie me a tell. No, better yet, me sit down in front of the fan and make the call. Yeah, that me a go do. That me a go do. Good morning, Mr. Smikle. It's Mr. Loris. How are you dealing with the weather conditions, sir? Sir, we getting thunderstorm in a few area. Not even umbrella can handle this weather, yeah. From morning, me ready and can't leave out because of the rain. What you say, sir? Sir? Me must take the day off? Hello, sir? Sir? You breaking up? Connection bad. Me not hear him clearly. Sir? You know what? Make I put that phone up on airplane mode. Me, I go see if him can get me for the rest of the day. Hey. Me go watch one next to can rest my body. After work hours, me turn on back the phone and call me people in my foreign and beg them some money. Me only hope Fiona and Ian don't blow off all the money, treat them over there. Me rest today and by tomorrow morning, one good Samaritan must send me a money so me can continue with my life.